Alright, welcome to the next video in our series on how to build a professional e-commerce site with WordPress WooCommerce and the WooStore theme. This is going to be a quick video to show you how to change the links that show up on the WooStore theme below the footer section, all the way in the bottom right hand corner of your site. You'll see that there is a powered by WordPress and is designed by Woo Themes. Two links down on the bottom that are there when you install the WooStore theme. So you're probably going to want to change those links so that they go to pages within your own site instead of linking out to WordPress.org and to Woo Themes. So I'm going to show you how to do that quickly in this video. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to change this powered by WordPress link to go to our About Us page. So I'm just going to have this say About Us with the link to our About Us page. And then after that, we're going to change this design by Woo Themes to go to our Contact Us page. So let's start with by changing this powered by WordPress so that it goes to our About Us page. So to do that, go ahead and log into the WordPress admin. And then you're going to go to Appearance and then Editor. And then you're going to click on this footer.php file. Alright. So click on the footer file and then scroll down until you find this section right here, and you'll see powered by Woo Themes. You can also find this section very easily by simply just doing a Control F and then typing in like powered. See, it'll take you right to that section highlighted. So Control F is a good tool to use on any page to find whatever you're looking for quickly. Alright, so find this section that says powered by and then Woo Themes. Okay, so we're going to change this powered by to say about, because it's going to go to our About Us page. So I'm going to change that to say about, and then I'm going to change this link right here that goes to, actually I guess I already changed it, but this link right here would have said WordPress.org. I changed this before I started this video, but this would have said this would have gone to WordPress.org. What I did is I simply went to my About Us page. Alright, and then I just went ahead and copied the URL. And then I came in here and I highlighted this link here that went to WordPress.org, and I simply pasted over it our About Us page URL. Okay, so that's step one. Change this powered by to say about, and then go ahead, copy the URL to your About Us page or whatever page you want to link to on your site. Paste the URL right here over the WordPress.org URL that's in there by default. And then the next thing you have to change is right here where it says WordPress. I'm going to just change that to say us. So now it should read, after I update this file, About Us, and the link should be on the Us, and should go to the About Us page. So let me go ahead and update that file. Again, this is just the footer.php file. So it's been updated, so let's go out to the website, and let's just refresh the page. And then if I scroll down, whoops. There we go. So the first half of it is complete. There's now About Us, and this Us should link to the About Us page. And there we go. So now I want to change this designed by link that goes to Woo Themes. I want that to go to our Contact Us page. This one's a little bit more tricky because this Woo Themes link right here is actually an image with a link behind it. So what you'll need to do is simply create an image. What I did is I just created this simple image right here that says us. Whatever, depending on the page that you're going to link to right there, you might want to change the image to say whatever the page name is, or you might want to just use a smaller version of your site logo or whatever image you want to use. It's got to be an image. So I just created an image as step one that says us because it's going to link to our my Contact Us page. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. Let's again go ahead, log into go into the WordPress admin and go to the footer.php file. We're in the same exact section. Here's where we just changed about, and then the About Us link right here. Now what I want to change is I want to change this designed by to say contact. Oops. Okay, and then if I go over a little further here, you're going to see that it links to an image. Okay, there's this code here that tells it to go ahead and link to that image of Woo Themes. Well, here's the actual link right here. So this http://woothemes.com. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to paste over that my Contact Us page URL. So I'm going to go out to the site and I'm going to go find contact, go to my contact page. And then again, I'm just going to go ahead and highlight and copy the URL for my Contact Us page. And I'm going to paste that URL over this woothemes.com URL. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste it. Alright, so there is the link to my About Us page. But the final step that needs to happen is I need to change this image here. I don't want this to say Woo Themes anymore. The link's already been changed. We just did that. But we need this image to change to something else. In this case, I want it to change just to this us image that I created. So if we look at it closer, we'll see that this is actually stored in images / and then the name of the image is woothemes.png. So if we create an image like I just did this one and I just saved it as woothemes.png, that's what I called this image, all I have to do now using FileZilla is upload this image to the images folder and it'll automatically override this woothemes.png image and will become my new image right here. The key is though, make sure to name your new image exactly this, Woo Themes, and save it as a PNG. It's just got to be named exactly the same. And then all you have to do is upload it to the images folder using FileZilla or whatever FTP client you use. Alright, so I've already saved this image as woothemes.png, so now I'm just going to go ahead and using FileZilla, I'm going to go ahead and go to worldcuptees.com, find that site, there it is, and then I'm going to go to WP Content, and I'm going to go to Themes, and I'm going to go to WooStore theme, and then here's the images folder right here. So what I'm going to do is go find that image on my computer, and let's see here, and then we're just going to upload it and it should override it. And let's see, bear with me as I find this here, worldcuptees.com. Okay, whoops, I double clicked too many times. So alright, what I'm going to do now is just find that image. Here it is right here, woothemes.png. I'm going to drag and drop it into the images folder, and it should say ask me if it wants to override it. I'm going to say OK. Okay, so now that image has been uploaded. Let's go back out to into the WordPress admin, and I've changed the URL. I've changed the image. And so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and update that file. And let's go out to the site, and here's what it looks like right now before I refresh the page. We've already changed this section to say About Us and link to our About Us page. But Designed By should now be changed to About Us and link to our About Us page. So let's go ahead and refresh the page. And I need to fix that image a little bit, but it did work. It now says Contact Us, and this link here should go to our Contact Us page. There we go. So that did work, goes to our contact page. I just would need to resize that image a little bit. I made it too big. And I would do that, but I'm not going to waste your time resizing an image on this video. Just wanted to show you quickly how you change those links that are the bottom right hand corner of your WooStore theme, and I recommend changing them to pages within your site, maybe your contact page, probably for sure, maybe your frequently asked questions page or a privacy policy or whatever you want to link to, but I would recommend changing them so that they don't link to wordpress.org and to woothemes.com. So Again, you change these links in the WordPress admin by going to Appearance Editor and then going to the footer.php file. And then the only real trick, I guess, is that to remember is that this is an image and it just needs to be saved as you need to just create your own image that says Woo theme. It's named Woo Themes. Save it as a PNG, and then you need to upload it to the images folder via an FTP client like FileZilla. That's the only thing that's a little bit tricky with this. Other than that, it's just pasting over your page URLs over the WordPress.org one that's in there and the WooCommerce or WooThemes.com link that are in there. That's really all there is to it. So hopefully that explains it. If you have questions that I didn't cover in this video about this, just contact me on uploadwp.com and I can get more specific hopefully and help answer your questions. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video. That's how you change the footer links for the WooStore theme. My name is Adam with uploadwp.com, and we'll see you in the next video.